guys, use for Nugget. I know, I just adopted her 1 week ago, and one day ago she got a mate, a rooster. Nugget got a mate rooster. So let's check them out right now. I almost fell. Okay, let's go. Nugget. Oh, there is Nugget. There she is. And now there's the mate. His name is Chicken Macaroni. For some reason, I named him. Wait, what you doing? Good girl. Okay, but that's kinda just it for today's news for Nugget. So, bye. Also, the baby cats have been born because Snow just gave birth to them. Then that's all it for today. Bye.